hello hello friends, I am back with my new video of Photoshop tutorial. So today we are going to start with the left of the tool that we left from our last tutorial. So we are going to work on next tool that is called crop tool, and in which we have four tools, that is crop tool, perspective crop tool, slice tool, slice select tool. So these all four tools used for cropping. So first one is a crop tool. So to see this in action, we can take a new artboard, and we will go and add a new any image that you want to just add. Let me just add this. It is just issue with this screen recorder. So yeah, this one I added there, and now you can see this one is here, and now we can use crop tool. So crop is basically work anything we can crop, like we can just crop this. Cropping is same, like we will enter, keep enter, and then it will crop things. Artboard we can also crop. Okay, the backend white area is called artboard of the Photoshop. So another one is a perspective crop tool. This is basically used to this is first it's showing that it need to be converted to the layer. This is basically used to change the perspective of the image. Like I'm just using this. We can create a new perspective like this, and then and then we will enter things. And when we crop, it will crop the thing like we create with our perspective tool. So another one is a slice tool. This is basically used to make image make 4 to 5 make many images from one image. Like we have one image, so we want to make 5 images of this, then we can just crop these things like this, like slicing. This tool is basically used in a previous time, but now these days this tool is much not needed, but you can use this as well. So see this action, we can do this kind of, it will make the images like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 images it will make. And to see this in action, we need to save this document for save for web, then we can view all the images. So to save for web, we need to use, either we can go file and save for web like this, and original, and just save it and select images only. It will also produce HTML and this one, so it will just, we can do this and just save this thing. And when you save, it will create a new, and like images where we can so there were the images that it will make. So this is the output of this slice tool. So this is this is the slice tool. So after next one is tool is slice select tool. So the slices that we done, we can select the slice that we done, like we done this slide, so we can take this from here and we can add this here. Means select the existing slice that we did. Yeah, you don't need to select the slice, like we selected any image, and if we want to move that image to other place, then we can do that with the slice select tool. Okay, so we are moving to next tool, that is first is a eyedropper tool. It is a tool that is basically used to drop the color of the color for eyedropper tool. So next one is a color sampler tool. When it's making sample, like we are making 4 to 5 sample for color. Yeah, this is showing that one sample, it's another one sample, black sample, these things. This is basically sampler, and we can maximum the sampler is 10 new sampler, because the maximum number of sampler is 10, so we can only just create 10 sample with this. Okay, so another one tool is ruler tool. So ruler tool is basically used to measure the things, if we want to measure anything, then we can use this tool. So I am just doing it back, and now you can use our ruler tool. This is how the ruler tool will work. To measure this, we will use this tool to measure this thing. We can use this as well. And note tool. Note is a simple tool that we can write note for the person that is going to be work after our work. So we can just write here, I am done here, now you can leave. So as person, whenever is open its document, then it will show first this message, it will read, and then he will start his working. So this is eyedropper and color and ruler and note tool. So another one tool is a spot healing brush tool. This will work on spot healing. Basically it will work on spot heal thing, just we can just you can just see what he is doing. Just make it little bit larger, I will show you that this one area I will replace with the color below it. Yeah, this is done. This is done. So this is also done. This one you also wanna see, you can see. Yeah, that is what this can do. This is basically a spot heal, and it's a healing brush. Just to do this, we need to define the source for this brush. Here we want to place this color, then we need to press alt here, so it's a point for this one, and then we can start doing this thing, and this it will take the color from there. It will take the color from the plus icon that is there. And it's a patch tool. If we want to make a patch, just like this hair area, just select this area and move it to above, or you can move it to here, so this thing will come here. This is patch tool. So content aware move tool, this is also the same, like we have it's taking things from here. I will select this here, and then I can just put here, so it will take the area from there. So red eye tool, it will just do the things same like other tools, making the area little bit grayer gray. So this is the red eye tool. So and another one is a brush tool. It's a similar kind of tool that we can use to remove these things, like I'm doing. So it's a brush tool. And it's a pencil tool, same pencil, you can use pencil tool as well. Pencil color is taking from here, you can change the color of the pencil as well, like black color. And color replacement tool, this is the color replacement tool. Yeah, you can work this as well. If you want, you can change this a little bit. And mixer brush tool, this is also a same thing, that is working with the white color. I take it's working little bit white color taking from here, and then I am just making it, and now it's taking mixture of colors. It's basically for mixing the color. This is what this tool is done. So here we done today. Today we complete crop tool and encryptor, eyedropper, and spot healing, and brush tool, and these all tool we done at 1 2 3 4 4 tool we complete. So next we will do clone stamp tool, pattern, and another one is a R tool. So hope you guys like it. Keep share, and I will meet you in next video. Thank you.